Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Kartika Octaviani and my student ID number is 2110118220030. I'm from group 10. Here I will present the material for the 6th meeting in the English Mathematics course through PowerPoint. And first about vocabulary. Number 1, angel. Meaning in Indonesian language is sudut. English definition, the space between two lines or planes that intersect the inclination of one line to another, measured in degree or radians. Example, the sum of the angles in a square is 4. Number 2, protector. Meaning in Indonesian language is busur derajat. English definition, a circular or semicircular tool for drawing or measuring angles. Example, I use a protector to calculate angles in a triangle. Number 3, length. Meaning in Indonesian language is panjang. English definition, distance between the two ends of a line segment. Example, the length of a table is 5 meters. Number 4, width. Meaning in Indonesian language is lebar. English definition, the measurement of the extent of something from side to side. Example, the width of a rectangle is 7 centimeters. Number 5, distance. Meaning in Indonesian language is jarak. English definition, distance is a numerical measure that shows how far the position of an object is from another object. Example, the distance between class to the library is 200 meters. Number 6, percent. Meaning in Indonesian language is percent. English definition, a part or other object per 100. The word percent is always used when it is preceded by a numeral. Example, 10% of 50 apples is 5 apples. Number 7, percentage. Meaning in Indonesian language is persentase. English definition, result obtained by multiplying a quantity by a percent. Percentage is used without a numeral preceding it. Example, 10% of 50 apples is 5 apples. The 5 apples is the percentage. Number 8, height. Meaning in Indonesian language is tinggi. English definition, the height is the shortest distance from the base of the shape to the opposite side or opposite vertex. Example, H is height of triangle. Number 9, base, or meaning in Indonesian language is alas. English definition, the bottom of a shape. Example, set as the base. Number 10, side. Meaning in Indonesian language is sisi. English definition, the side of a shape can be defined as a line segment that joins two vertices to form the outline of a 2D or 3D shape. Example, A, B, and C are the three sides of a triangle. Chapter 2 is about video word problem. And question, guava sales for today get a 30% discount, and if you buy 6 guavas at a price of $12.60 for today, then what is the price of 2 guava without a discount? And the solution is, let X equals cost of 6 guavas at full price, and X minus open bracket 30% cost bracket equals X multiplied X equals $12.60. And next, X minus 0.30x equals 12.60, and 0.70x equals 12.60. So X So multiply both sides. Multiply by 0.70 both sides. So x equals 12.60 per 0.70. X equals 126 per 7. So x equals $18. And 6 guavas at full price is $18. And 1 guava at full price equals $18 per 6 equals $3. So 2 guava at full price is $3 multiplied by 2 equals $6. Chapter 3, example number 2, 4, 6, and 7. Example 2. An advertisement for toothpaste claims that 4 out of 5 dentists recommend a certain brand. A consumer group want to check the accuracy of this claim and surveyed 180 dentists. How many dentists would they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim is accurate? So the solution is the price 4 out of 5 indicate that the ratio of those who recommend is 4 divided by 1. Using the pictures, claim R for recommend and D for doesn't recommend. We have to list and count groups of RR, R, triple R, D rather than listing groups. We easily realize that there has to be 180 per 4 equals 36 groups, and therefore there will be 36 DS if the claim were accurate. The more structured algebraic will be that x equals the number of groups. Number of those who recommend equals 4x. Number of those who don't recommend equals x. So 4x plus x equals 180. 5x equals 180 and divided by 5 both sides. So x equals 36. There will be 4 multiplied by 36 equals 144 dentists who recommend the brand ABD. 1 times 36 equals 36 who do not. Ratio can appear in many of the types of problem we saw in the previous chapter. Example 4. Jason is Chris's older cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 divided by 5. In 5 years, Chris's age will be far more than half of Jason's age. How old are the boys now? And the solution? The ratio indicates that current age of the boys are multiples of 5 and 9, making a table as follows. And using algebra. For the solution using algebra, let x equals the multiple. Chris' current age equals 5x. Jason's current age equals 9x. The model is Chris' age plus 5 equals a half. Jason's age plus 5 plus 4. And the substitution gives 5x plus 5 equals a half, open bracket, 9x plus 5 close bracket plus 4. 5x plus 5 equals 4.5x plus 2.5 plus 4. So 5x plus 5 equals 4.5x plus 6.5. 0.5x equals 1.5. So x equals 3. Chris' age is 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. And Jason's age is 9 times 3 equals 27. check in 5 years, their age would be 20 and 32, specifically 20 a half multiplied by 32 plus 4 equals 16 plus 4 equals 20. And example 6. Carol Candy Stand sells a popular mixture of two of her candies, which sells for $2.70 pounds and $1.95 per pound. The ratio of the expensive candy to the cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 divided by 5. If Carol sold her entire supply of the mixed candy during the coming month, she would have revenue of $928.20, which would be the same as if she sold each candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and at what price does she sell it for? The solution: let's assume the 8 pounds was sold. It means 3 pounds of the expensive candy and 5 pounds of the cheaper candy were sold. And the answer: 3 multiplied by 2.70 plus 5 multiplied by 1.95 equals $70.85. The price of the mixture would be $70.85 divided by 8 pounds equals $2.23 per pound. From that, it helps you model the problem. The model is number of pounds of expensive candy multiplied by $2.07 plus number of pounds of cheaper candy multiplied by $1.95 equals $928.20. Using algebra, let x equals the multiple. Number of pounds of expensive candy equals 3x. Number of pounds of cheaper candy equals 5x. Total number of pounds sold equals 8x. The model gives us the equation 3x multiplied by 2.70 plus 5x multiplied 1.95 equals 928.20. So 70.85x equals 928.20. So x equals 52. Therefore, the mixture in supply equals 8 multiplied 52 equals 416 pounds, and it sells for $928.20 divided by 416 equals $2.23 per pound. Example 7. Among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert are 2½ cups of regular sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. The direction indicates that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? And the solution: the amount of regular sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. And B, the amount of brown sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. Let X be the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. 2½ per 8 equals X per 12. 8x equals 30. X equals 30 per 8. X equals 3 and 3 per 4. And let Y be the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. 1/4 per 8 equals y per 12. 8y equals 3. Y equals 3 per 8. And check 12 per 8 equals 3 per 2. Regular sugar 3 and 3 per 4 divided by 2 a half equals 15 per 4 divided by 5 per 2 equals 15 per 4 multiplied by 2 per 5 equals 30 per 20 equals 3 per 2. And the brown sugar 3 per 8 divided by 1 per 4 equals 3 per 8 multiplied by 4 per 1 equals 12 per 8 equals 3 per 2. Okay, that is from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.